Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today for you guys, I have my Adidas Yeezy Collection. My goal for this video is to show you the Adidas Yeezys I currently own and some potential Adidas Yeezys I do like and might pick up in the future. Before we start the video, I do want to mention if you do enjoy this video or any of my previous videos, please leave a like and subscribe. It does really help grow the channel and I appreciate it a lot. Also, if you want to see some fit pics and photos of other shoes I own, definitely go check out my Instagram and follow. It is Cam Goodwin 12, same profile pic as this YouTube. Let's just get right into this video and let me show you guys the first shoe. So the first shoe I have is probably my most worn Yeezy, and they are the 350 V2 Butters. These are a shoe that I really just wear as an everyday shoe a lot of the time in the summertime mainly. As you can see, it's kind of like that creamish yellow colorway to them. Very basic and simple. I don't think these go for too much. I think brand new they're around 300 right now, and because a lot of 350 V2s definitely have gone down and up and back and forth, but I think these have kind of sit around 300. I mainly wear these as an everyday beater shoe. As you can see, here's a little look. They're kind of dirty. I don't really wash these ones too much just because I do wear them so much. They're definitely one of my favorite summer shoes that I recommend to people when they ask, because they're just simple. The color is a clean color and they're very comfortable. I do have to admit, Yeezy 350 V2s are definitely one of, or if not the most comfortable shoe I have ever worn. Here's one last look at the shoe before we get on to the next one. As you'll notice, I do have quite a few pairs of 350 V2s. To keep it going with 350 V2s, I'll show you my newest Yeezy, and it is the 350 V2 Static. Non-reflectives, I believe. Here's a quick look at these as well. These are definitely more out there and crazy than the Butters. They still have that plain colorway, which I love, but it's kind of more out there. So I think these are definitely going to be a shoe I wear in the summer, but not quite as much as my Butters. These will be kind of when I want to dress up a little bit, but still have that comfortable vibe to it. But you get all those different patterns on the shoe. The one thing I don't really like is the little stripe on the side. I don't know if you can see, but it is sort of see-through right there. I don't know if you can see my finger. So getting into my last two, I know I don't really have a lot of Yeezys. I kind of stopped buying them a little while ago. I recently picked these up just because I got them for a really good deal, and I was hoping to use them for the gym. This next pair is different. It's not a 350 V2. It is a 700 V2 in the geode colorway. So this was my third ever Yeezy, I believe, that I purchased, and I got these for only $220 at the Round 2 store in New York. Shout out to them real quick. Amazing people there. I love their store. When I was there, everyone was very friendly and welcoming. This was, I believe, a couple years ago, but here's just a close look at this shoe. I know it's not the prettiest of Yeezys, but I like the chunky look of it and the comfortability. Again, 700s have boost on them, so these are one of the most comfortable Yeezys I've ever owned. I personally like these over the 350s, but I know a lot of people aren't gonna agree with me on that. But for me, I just like these a lot more because there's more ankle support and they're just thicker, which I think is a good look on me just because I am a bigger person, as you can see. Now it's time for the last Adidas Yeezy I currently own, and they are my all-time favorite that Adidas has came out with, and it is the Yeezy 350 V2 Blue Tints. So as you can see, this kind of looks like the Zebra 350 V2s, but it does have a bluish tint to them. Mine are starting to yellow due to them being kind of old. Let me see if there's a date on here. These came out in 2017, it says, so probably close to 2018. Pretty old for, I guess, a Yeezy, considering so many colorways have came out since then. I guess colorway wise, it's a pretty old shoe. These are my first ever Yeezys I ever picked up. I've held on to them ever since, and I plan to never get rid of them. I don't know why I like the blue tint so much. I can't really explain it, but I just love the look and the color and just the way in general they look on my feet. So that's, I think, why I like these so much. But again, here's a quick overview of this shoe. It is basically a zebra, but just with a blue tint like the title says. and the red on the side. I believe the Yeezy 350 Zebra has that as well. I know I kind of went fast in this video. I want you guys to enjoy the video and not just kind of be bored, I guess. And I know it's hard right now, but because of everything going on in the world, I'm not really able to go out and go places and vlog or any other sneaker related content. So I'm kind of just stuck in this room making videos over the stuff I currently own and hope to own in the future. And I hope that doesn't deter you from coming back to the channel or subscribing, because hopefully in the future, once everything's kind of, I guess, opened up more, I'm definitely going to try to do some more videos at sneaker stores and showing other people's collections, hopefully, and definitely a lot of other content not related to just this room. And that's the whole goal for this channel, is to bring anything shoes into it. And I might branch out into other things like clothing, but let me know down below what you guys are more interested in when it comes to my channel. I'm definitely going to be a mainly sneaker and clothing YouTube channel, but I am going to also try to vlog and do my daily routine and stuff for you guys eventually, once everything's kind of open, like I mentioned. Anyway, I do want to mention a few pairs of shoes that I hopefully want in the future, or I personally like, that are Adidas Yeezys. And started off, my favorite, I believe, out of all of these is definitely the Yeezy 700 V2 Hospital Blues, I believe. I'll pop up a photo right now for you guys. Those are definitely one of my favorite 700 V2s to come out. I don't really know why I like them. I think it's the same deal with the blue tints, that blue colorway, and just the overall look. And then they have the comfortability of the 700 V2s that I love. So I think it's just a great shoe and a great summer shoe in general. So I hope to be able to purchase those at some point in the future. Next pair, again, it is a 350 V2. Is going to be the red stripe 350s. I'll pop up a photo again. These are a 350 I like just because they're that classic black and red colorway, and they're just simple. It's a simple 350 V2 that I think a lot of people can wear, and you can wear it with a lot of different outfits, which is a big plus because there are some Yeezys that are very crazy. The next pair is one I know people aren't gonna like too much. It is the Yeezy Quantum basketballs, I believe is what they're called. Here's a photo real quick. I like these a lot just because they are a basketball Yeezy shoe, and that's the first ever one to come out, so it's just kind of like an iconic thing for basketball. It's crazy that Kanye and Adidas have made a basketball shoe. It's just a crazy thing overall, and I think that's mainly why I like them most. But YouTuber Kais Omar, he has them and he loves them, so I definitely plan on getting some and playing in them in the future. And for the last pair, back to the OG Yeezy days, it is the 350 V2 Beluga. They're just an amazing 350. It's what started the 350 V2s off. So you can't really hate on it. It's gray and orange, so simple, really good colorway that you can wear with a lot, and it's just the start of the Adidas Yeezys, in my opinion. Obviously, there's the 350 V1s. Those are my all-time favorite Yeezys. Personally, the Moon Rocks are my definite favorite. Here's a photo real quick for you. Overall, obviously 350 V1s are definitely my favorite, but I kind of went towards shoes that are more affordable when it comes to Adidas Yeezy. 350 V1s are pretty pricey, brand new, and you don't come across a lot of good conditioned old pairs anymore. For example, when I was at round 2, they had a pair of tans, which are my least favorite out of the 4. I think they were almost 600 used. So that's gonna be all for this video. I'm sorry if this is on the longer side. Again, let me know down below if you like the shorter videos or longer videos, and I'll try to figure some things out to try to accommodate to most of you guys, or hopefully all of you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.